Hello, my name is Rob and welcome to Alpha Power Cleaners. Today we're going to look at the Tennant T16 ride-on floor scrubber dryer and how to fill the clean water tank. Now on this machine, the clean water tank is on the rear of the machine. You've got the left-hand tank is your clean water tank, 170 odd litres. You're best to always use a hose to fill the tank rather than buckets to stop debris getting into the tank. If you're going to use detergent through the machine, this is the point where you add your detergent. So we recommend Alpha Scrub, dilute it down to about 5%, add that to your clean water tank. It's also very important to make sure every time you fill your clean water tank, you empty your recovery tank. This avoids overfilling. It's also vitally important to make sure if you're going to leave the machine stood for any period of time, especially if you've got detergent in, to ensure you empty and flush the clean water tank. This can be done on the T16 with the drain hose on the rear of the machine with a twist cap which can be released to release the water.